Hi friends, welcome to my flavor kitchen. Let's make this delicious ogbono soup together. Kindly tap the subscribe button if you are new here. First, you will mix the blended ogbono seeds with palm oil in a bowl and keep aside. In a pot, put your clean beef or any protein of choice, add onions, seasoning cubes, salt and cover to boil till it's tender. Then introduce stockfish, PONMO and allow to cook. Mix together so the stockfish and PONMO can cook evenly. Then you go in with your smoked panla fish. You can add any type of fish you like, any kind of dry fish. Add your blended pepper. I used mixture of scotch bonnet and habanero pepper. I also added powdered Cameroon pepper, as you can see me doing now. By now, the aroma from this pot has filled the entire neighborhood. So now I'm adding more water so the ogbono can have enough room to spread its thickness. Cover and allow to boil for some seconds or some minutes. So I'm going to add the mixture of ogbono and palm oil that I made from the beginning. Then I'll cover it. I cover my ogbono and it still comes out slimy. Just make sure you get a good one, fresh and clean from the market. It doesn't matter if you cover or not, it's still going to come out really thick and nice. So it's boiling now. I'm going to add 1 seasoning cube. Remember I added from the beginning when I was boiling the meat. So I'm adding just 1 more and I'll mix together. When you are stirring, make sure you stir from the bottom because it burns so fast. Now I'm adding the crayfish. I'm adding the crayfish now and I'll also mix together so it can cook evenly. Can you see how thick it has become? The pot is almost full. That's the beauty of getting a good ogbono from the market. Can you see I've been covering and opening it and it's still thick. So I got 2 different kinds of vegetables. First, I'll be adding the ugu leaves. I'll add the ugu leaves and allow it to simmer for like 30 seconds to a minute. I don't want it to overcook. Then next I'll go in with the UZIZA leaves. You know UZIZA leaves for its aroma and taste. So I added 2 vegetables and I'm going to stir together. I'll leave it to cook for like a minute as well. And I'll come back to taste if it needs more salt or not. Can you see the beauty of the ogbono soup already? Wow, this is delicious, I promise. You can also add ogiri or okpe or any other thing you want to add for more aroma. But in this case, I didn't add in mine. So I covered and allowed to cook for a minute, like I said. And now I'm adding a little salt. Thanks for watching so far. Please kindly subscribe for more yummies if you are yet to do so. Ogbono is ready. This is ogbono soup. Some people call it Apon. You can pair this with any swallow of choice. I paired mine with eba and it tastes so yummy. Thanks for watching. Would you be trying this? Let me know in the comments. Bye.